YouTube. This is your girl, Blue Queen Sparkles. I hope everybody think it's going well. I hope everybody day is going well. I'm sorry, well. I got a video, a video, a video, a video, I got a video. I would like to show y'all, if y'all like jewelry, then this video is for y'all. I have a whole bunch of jewelry, y'all, that I just want to show y'all. It doesn't hurt to show the jewelry, do it? But yeah. I have this one. I still got jewelry that's in the pack. That's not even open. Like this one, for instance. This one is not open. But see, I like it because it has the little bows on it. You see that little bow up there? So cute. Then I got this bracelet. Then you know how when you go to places, like Hill Health Center or go to events, they be having these little bracelets. So this one said, "Be your own hero." Then I have these beads. I think my daughter had made this in school like 2 years ago with, 2 years ago. She had made this. You remember when you made these?
Oh, yeah, I made that.
I still got it. Then I got these beads I had got from my god sister. She actually sell jewelry. I wish I could put her link at the description box below, but I forgot it. But if I get if I get it from her again, I'll be happy to, put it down in the description box below. Then I have a Christmas one, and it says Christmas. You can't see it because I didn't open it up yet, but that's it right there. I also make beads as well. This one says Erica. Sometimes I like to wear, jewelry with my family up there, family name up there. So I made these. And again, I'm going to start getting the jewelry kit so I can start making jewelry with y'all. So yeah, I made this one. And it says Erica. I made this one. And it says Blue Treasure. Then I have this one. I don't actually know what I got this one from, but it's cute. I don't even think I could fit it. No, I can't fit it. I don't know what this one is for. Maybe a ring? It's too big for a ring. I don't know. I'll keep it. Then I have this one, which I also had got from my god sister. I made this one. This one says, "Jesus is my boss." Then look at this one, y'all. This is so cute. It has, another bow on it. And then it has like a little Mickey Mouse pennant. It's cute. Then I made this one for last year, 4th of July. And it says USA somewhere. Oh, right here. It says USA. Then I have a pink one of the same one that I showed y'all with the bow and the in the Mickey Mouse pendant. I made this one. And I made this one. This one says Loranda. That's my oldest daughter name. And I made this one. This one says Valentine's Day. And I got this one also from my god sister. It's very long, y'all. It's long like this. But see, I wear it like this. I put it on just like that. Then I also got this from my god sister. It's a little bracelet. Then I have this little bracelet that I also had got from her. Then I made this little bracelet it stretches, y'all. It goes with the necklace. And I got this red bracelet. And I got a blue one with the same bow and Mickey Mouse. And I got the pink bracelet. And I have a watch with a cartoon character on it. Then I have an orange bracelet that my sister had gave me. And then another bracelet, which I also got from my god sister. And yeah, this is like a bracelet too. Then I got this. This was my husband, but he gave it to me from a cupcake that he had for Father's Day last year. And then, and I just be wearing these. I really don't know what these are for, but I'll be wearing them as bracelets. Then my daughter made me this one. And then I made this one. And this one says Rest in Peace, Granddad. And I made that one. I think my niece gave me this one. My sister's baby daughter. And I got the heart necklace. And I got a purple one. So yeah, so I have this right here, y'all. I have like the white beads. I'm actually talking loud because there's music playing in the background. So I have this right here. I have these right here. I have these rings that I had got from my god sister right here. Isn't it so cute? Purple and blue. And then I got like the green necklace. Oh, wait, stop. The green necklace and the earrings to go with it. And then the pink bracelet. And then, yeah, I have missing earrings, which I'm not going to use that. And then I made these. And then, yeah, this is all of it, y'all. Uh-oh, I made a mess. I'll pick it up. Before I let y'all go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell for more. And tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your aunt, tell your uncle, tell your cousins, tell your grandpa, tell your whole family to be part of Blue Queen Sparkles family. And if you're going outside today, please be careful, please be safe. Pray when you leave the house, pray when you get to your destination, pray when you leave your destination. God loves you, so do I. Remember both of my logos. Jesus my boss and Jesus my God. Don't let negativity get in your mind or in your way what you're trying to do in life. And yeah, continue showing me love and support. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. I'm sorry I'm talking loud again, but these Aggie neighbors is out there playing music. They supposed to be moving, but I don't know when. So yeah, I apologize for talking all loud and stuff, but I'm not trying to get copyrighted. You feel me? So I'm on the road to get my channel monetized, and and I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Peace. 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 I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.